It's alive! I have a car back! Yay! That's all the welding done. Good afternoon or good morning, tubes. It's afternoon because I've been out shopping this morning, so I've not been on the car straight away, but I'm back on it now, and as you can see the welder is out and I'm starting to button everything up. I've just welded a bit more down there, seamed that in. I need to put more extra tack welds in there on this area, and the cap needs to go in on the back. Bolt that splash panel up, seal it on the front, seal it on the back, then get ready for the wing to go on after I've cleaned the actual mounting rail across the top and give all this area up here a lick of paint. So still plenty to do. I've got my MOT looming. I've booked it for the 15th of June. We're now on, must be, I think it's the 1st, is it today? Let's have a look. I think it's the 1st today when I'm, let's have a look. No, oh yes it is, yes, Saturday the 1st. So we've got next weekend really. So this weekend, ideally, I need to get that all buttoned up and probably painted as well. And then everything can go on. I mean, there's no reason why I can't paint this and this together. Just mask it up. That just needs a lick. That part I can do when the door's on, maybe, I don't know. It could be left until afterwards, to be honest. There's no real reason why, but it's the rear arch we need to go back on, which is going to be a pain. And then obviously my MOT check, so I'm kind of up against it, really. I can't do it for the weekend after because I'm away. The weekend after that would be the next time, so which is going into July, and I really just want to get it MOT'd now. I mean, it has got an MOT until the 30th of June, but it'd just be nice to get it sorted. So, and I don't think there's anything else on it that's a problem. The handbrake needs adjusting, but that's about it. So, onwards and upwards, I'm going to get all this stitched in, and then obviously bolt that up, and we're ready to rock with the wing, which I need to weld the bottom of it. So, sit back and enjoy. Okay, we painted some seam sealer on there just to cover those welds, and I've also bolted this up. Now I may put some seam sealer just across there, just for now, then it stops any water getting into the top. This will effectively have a door seal on it eventually, once I know I've got the wing. There's enough area for when I bolt the wing, that's all. So I'm going to place the wing on, make sure everything's okay, take the wing off, and then I'll put some seam sealer and do the door seal. So still plenty to do, but at least its little jobs are getting nipped off now. Welding's done on the bottom of the wing. So, we'll get this part sorted. So, stitched a piece on there, and then bolted it. We'll made the bolt holes, and then zip the end of it off, and then that part's done. And it can ready to be fillered and everything, which would be quite good, but I might do it while it's on the car, because it keeps it in one position then. So I need to take the wing off and seam seal and whatnot, and put some door rubber.
Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, oh no, you never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to
Stone chip time. Time to slide the wing on for the last time.
Oh, we know it's all for nothing. We fight and beg and greed, and then we go and act like something.
So, as you can see last night, I got a bit of paint licked onto there. Bit of janky masking, but luckily the paint's all low down, so it shouldn't none of it have travelled in the car anyway. It's so dusty in there, no paint will attach to anything. So what I need to do, I still need to do the end cap, which luckily is welding, but it doesn't touch anywhere they're painted, so it shouldn't cause too much of a problem. So I need to take the wheel off, weld the end cap in, so that part's sorted then. And it's a case of putting it back together, really. There's a few wires that I snipped down there, which I believe is the old MG battery cable. So and I don't think it's required because everything's jumping into the MX5 wiring, which ran a new battery lead. So I am going to put the terminals on it just in case, and I can just at least snip it back, put it back up, and be job done. And I know everything's going to be all right. I'm not chasing my tail if I forget about that job. But all underneath the wheel arch is shortsed. I'll show you. It's stone chipped. Probably can't make out because of the sun. Looks nice and new under there now. So yeah, we're getting there. We're slowly getting there. I just want it done now. I'm getting a bit sick of it.
When our hearts burn with the heat of 1,000 suns. Yeah, and we cry out loud cause we just want attention. And we feel alive from a fake medium. Yeah, I won't accept this life, the fate is given.
That's all the welding done. What are you doing, Gregor?
Bucket! Bucket thing!
He's a little lad, you know.
He's the same waist size as me.
What size waist?
Let me get you. See if he
What
sits
size
in
waist
it.
do you?
32.
Yeah, same. And I've got a bluey.
So you got to take the tries off to get in.
No, because don't want to get really dirty. Even though it's on my seat.
Oh,
It's tight.
oh, that was
That
tight.
part pushed
That
it down.
was tight.
Tight.
It was
Pushed it
tight.
down.
That was. Heard it shuffle in
Yeah.
there.
Don't listen to them. Don't listen
I
to
bet
them.
Mum
Look,
will.
look, look, the seat come
I
up
can't even
in
get
then.
bloody hell out of it. You won't get it back up.
Graham, I shouldn't even tried up.
Oh, it's tight there.
Well, it would be with you.
Yeah, no.
So find a way to get lost. So find a way to get lost. Just find a way to get lost. Yeah, we'll find a way to get lost. So find a way to. So find a way to.
It's alive! I have a car back! Yay! So, car is back together. As you can see, all the sills welded up. Look at that for a colour match. Absolutely perfect. I've even put in the bucket seat, which is just a temporary bucket seat till I get like a Sparko or Caribou one. At the moment, we have found one problem though, the throttle cable. What's happening is, when I've welded the pedal box, we think the throttle pedal box itself's moved over slightly, so it's fouling on a bit of the firewall, so it's cut through the cable. So what I'm doing at the moment is using a step drill to drill it out a bit, so then the throttle cable doesn't foul. Luckily I've got a spare throttle cable, because the other one, just from moving it, was deburring itself. It snapped a couple of the strands, so I'm just doing that now. But yes, I'll be able to take the car to the breakfast meet next week, which is fantastic. Fucking badass. I'll see you next week, and my pink jumper will be back.